So Google Cloud Platform pricing, up to 250 MB it is $0.00. Minimum charge will be 1024 bytes. For 250 MB to 250 GB it will be $0.045. 1024 bytes is the minimum charge. 250 GB to 5 terabytes it is $0.0020. Registered devices all unlimited, and 5 terabytes and above it will be $0.00, that is limited to 1024 bytes. So now if we calculate that, मिनिमम चार्ज जो भी है वो 1024 बाइट्स का ही लगेगा, उसके नीचे जितना भी रहेगा उसके लिए 1024 बाइट्स का ही लगेगा. एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू कंसिडर 25 बाइट्स, still the charge of minimum 1024 bytes will be there. Now example is that if the for the message larger than 1024 bytes, the charge will be message size into price per MB. If you set to keep alive your devices for 15 minutes, you keep on ping request at least 15 minutes. So if you want to have a data volume for the ping request, it would be about 27.47 GB. How? So it is nothing but 10,000 devices into 96 ping requested per device per day, which will be equal to for the 30 days, and which will be equal to having 1024 bytes, which will be equal to 27.74 GB. Taking into free data up to 250 MB, and the fact that pricing for 250 MB to 250 GB is around $0.0045. So according to the formula, it will be as 27.47 GB minus 250 MB into $0.0045, which will be equal to $125 per 46. This is just for the ping request, and we are sending the request. There is no response from the other side. Hence, the calculation is only for the ping request per device per day. Now, this is the basing price. Now, we'll consider here that there is a request and there is also response. So when we are sending the request, HTTP request, let us assume that there is a size of the message is 1024 byte. We consider 10,000 devices which are connected to the cloud IoT core. Each request results in response, and even though a response may be of only few bytes, but we have to consider the minimum size as 1024. The total data volume for the size is 27.46 GB. So request to be calculated is 10,000 devices into 48 messages per device per day into 30 days, and into minimum size of the message is 1024 bytes, which is equal to 13.73 GB. Similarly, for the response, the same calculation will be there. So the total volume will be equal to 13.73 GB and 13.73 GB for request and response, which will be equal to 27.46 GB. Now, let us assume that up to 250 MB it is free, and between 250 MB to 250 GB it is $0.0045. So according to that, pricing will become as 27.47 GB minus 250 MB into dollar of 0.0545, which will be equal to $125.41. Now this is for the small messages. Let us assume that there are 50,000 devices connected to the cloud or IoT. Let us assume that one HTTP request is going every 30 minutes, and each request is of 5 bytes in size. So any size which is smaller than 1025 will be given the price of 1025 bytes only. चाहे वो 5 बाइट हो, 1000 बाइट हो या 100 बाइट हो, लेकिन उसको 1024 बाइट्स का ही मिनिमम चार्ज लगेगा. So let us assume that the total data volume is 137.32. How it is calculated? So let us assume that there is a request and response from both the sides. When it is request, it is 50,000 devices into 48 messages per devices per day into 30 days, which will be equal to 1024 bytes, which is equal to 68.66 GB. Now, as far as the response is concerned, it is again 50,000 devices into 48 messages per device per day into 30 days, which will be equal to 68.66 GB. So total response will be equal to 137.32 GB. Now, as we know that there is a free data volume up to 250 MB, henceforth the calculation will be equal to 137.32 GB minus 250 MB into dollar of 0.0045, which is equal to 631.65. Now for the larger message, let us assume that there are 50,000 devices. One HTTP request is going every 30 minutes, and the size of the message is now in a range of 8,000. So now 8,000 के हिसाब से कैलकुलेशन होगा तो वो आता है 18.1 टेराबाइट्स. कैसे? रिक्वेस्ट भेजा गया है तो 50,000 डिवाइसेस इंटू 1440 मैसेजेस पर डिवाइस पर डे अज्यूम किया है हमने, और 30 डेज को भेजा गया है विद द साइज ऑफ 8192 बाइट्स. So that will be equal to 16.1 terabytes. This is just for the request. When we go for the response, it will be considered as 1024 bytes because response तो कम है, यहाँ से larger message जा रहा है, वहां से response कम है, तो ऐसा हम कंसिडर करते हैं कि 1024 बाइट्स है तो रिस्पॉन्स होता है 1 टेराबाइट. So total data volume will be equal to 16.1 terabytes plus 2 terabytes, which is equal to 18.1 terabytes. So the pricing per month will become as 250 GB minus 250 MB into $0.00545 plus 5 terabytes minus 250 GB, which is equal to $0.002 plus 18.1 terabytes. So that will be multiplied with 0.0045. That will be equal to 117,305.99 dollars. So this is the overall string structure. Yes, have you got it? Yes, have you got it? Should we take attendance? Roll number 1. Hello. Hello. Please respond. Hello. Roll number 1.
Sir, you are audible.
Roll number 1. Roll number 2. 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 4.
Yes, sir.
5. 6.
Yes, sir.
7. 8.
Yes, sir.
9. 10. 11. 12.
Yes, sir.
13. 14.
Present, sir.
15. 16. 17.
Yes, sir.
18.
17. Present, sir.
Okay. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. Present. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39.
Yes, sir.
40. 41.
Present.
42. 43.
Present, sir.
44.
Yes, sir. Present.
45. 46.
Yes, sir.
47, 48,
Yes, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present.
51, 52,
Present.
53,
Yes, sir.
54,
Yes, sir.
55,
Present.
56, 57, 58, 59, 60,
Yes, sir.
61, 62.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other number remaining?
Sir, 21 is present. Roll number 1, sir.
Roll number 1, roll number 21. Okay. Next,
Sir, 2.
roll number 2. Okay. Next. Is it over? Okay. Thank you.
46, sir.
46 लिखा है. ठीक है. Okay. Thank you.